Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making chicken recipe with less ingredients. Without onion and tomato. Oil 2 tablespoon. Chicken 1 kg. Ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoon. Salt as per taste. Mix everything. Cook on medium heat for 5 minutes. Turmeric half tablespoon. Red chilli 2 tablespoon. Coriander powder 1 tablespoon. White pepper powder 2 tablespoon. Mix everything. Lemon juice 4 tablespoon. Water half cup. Close the lid, cook for 10 minutes. Sliced lemon, ginger and green chilies. Close the lid, cook for 2 minutes. Corn slurry. Again cook for 2 minutes. Now it's ready to serve. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video, get notified. Enjoy with fried rice. Thanks for watching. See